Miss ABCD's lessons.
Hi, Miss ABCD. Let's spell 3-letter words that end with A-T.
All right, let's do it.
A-T says at, right? Miss ABCD?
That's right. AT says at.
Can you spell the word cat?
Try sounding it out. Cat. 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 What's that letter that starts the word cat?
Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It's the letter C.
Yes!
Can you spell bat?
B-at. B-at. B-b-b. What's the letter?
Oh, I know this one for sure, Miss ABCD. It's the letter B. B-A-N-T, bat. Good job, friends. Can you spell rat?
R-at. R-at. R.
Is it the letter R?
Yes!
R-A-T, rat. Can you spell fat? I think this one's a little tricky, Miss ABCD.
At. At. What letter starts the word fat?
Miss ABCD, I know. Is it the letter F?
Yes!
Can you spell mat?
At. At. What letter starts the word mat?
Miss ABCD, I think it's the letter M?
Great job. M-A-T spells mat.
Yes!
Can you spell sat?
Sound it out. What sound? Can you hear? Sat. What letter are we looking for?
Is it the letter S?
Yes!
Can you spell pat?
Listen to the letter at the start of the word pat. 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 Can you hear the letter pat?
All right, let me give it a try. Is it the letter P?
Yes!
Thank you for watching, friends. Bye.
Bye.